Wow, nakasale po si Anta rito sa may Ayala Mall, Trinoma po, North EDSA. Up to 50% oh. So check natin mga buddy. Nasa ano po siya, second floor. Ayan, second floor. Okay, sa mga bago lang po sa napadaan sa ating channel, mag-subscribe kayo para lagi ma-update. Samahan nyo ulit ako mga buddy. Ayan, maraming salamat. Let's go! Yung sale nila dito until katapusan pa, no? Malapit na. Ay, medyo matagal pa kasi ano na yun eh, 20, May 20.
Let's suffocate, better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none.
Mga damit naman to. Mukhang naghanap kayo, nakasale din sila dito. Apparel oh, Anta 1396 oh, 1396 dating 1995 no. Ano itong damit. May mga ibang kulay ito. Oh, yun yung design. Okay. Oh, Kay Thompson. Nakakbay sa beer. Beer ba yun? Oh, may mga ibang damit na kulay, no? Black, dilaw. Check nyo na lang dito. Tapos nakasil din sila sa mga short. Ayan. 30%. $2995 pakilas nyo 30%. Ito yung mga ano nila, pang running shoes, pang training, mga ganun. Ang gaan lang no, naka regular 3195 mga buddy, 3195 yan, 3195. May mga ibang colorway kayong pagpipilian dito, mga pang training, pang babae siyempre available din. Ito pang women naman po, 3995. Ang gaan lang no, ang gaan lang sobra. Yan, available yung ibang kulay. Ito ganito, stick nito. Ang gaan din sobra. Ang taas ng midsole nyo. Kala mo papel eh. 6995 yung presyo. Pang babae pang lalaki pwede to. Ayan, may big size po siya. Tapos mga ganito, mga running shoes, 2795. Yan, may mga ibang colorway, black. Yan, 2795. Okay, yan sila. Ito, ibang design din to. Pang babae, pang lalaki, pwede rin to. 6995. Angas, no? Pang outdoor, no? Ito, 4795 o kulay black. Yan, yung mga ibang colorway. Ito ulit yung mga ibang panglaro nila, pang basketball. Ito, may mga nakasale dito na Shockwave, oh. Yung mga naunang sapatos ni Kyrie, oh. 3996. Nabawasan ng 1,000, dating 4995, no? Available pala dito, oh. Oh, nakasale din to, 3996. Itong colorway. Ito pala yung kulay orange sa harap nila. 3996, dating 4995 mga body. Oh, nakasale na to, oh. Guwapo rin na ito. Ito yung isang nagpangas, oh. Oh, ganitong colorway, may kulay black, 3996 din. Oh, ano lang siya, medyo magaan, no? Ito pa, oh. 3996. Oh, ganitong design. Okay, mga pang forma na to, anta, ang gaan, no? Sobra. 1995 naman to, wala nang 2,000. 1995 mga body. Ang ganda rin, no? Pang ano, pang formal, no? 29, to 2795 naman to. Yan, mga ganito, 3995. Kung dito yung ibang ano, sapatos nila. Yan, Kaiwan. Yan sila. Okay, nakasale, oh, yung ganito. Yung ganitong colorway, 5316. May bola rin sila, oh. May bola. Ito nakasale din pala, bola, oh. 2,605. Yan, 2,605. Yan, bola. So, daming sombrero para dito. 1395. 1395. Yan, maraming damit dito. Tapos mga pang women, yan, 20% yung ibang jersey na dito. Yan, baka naghanap kayo. So yun, hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog mga buddy. Yung sale ng Anta dito sa may Ayala Mall, Trinoma, hanggang katapusan pa, no? May, hanggang katapusan ng May. So hanggang dito na lang, maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo. Subscribe po, please, bye bye.